Hi, I'm Dave Feudal. I'm here with Expert Village, and I'm here in this clip here to talk about how to make your friends select the four aces from a randomly shuffled deck. So all you'll need for this trick is a deck of cards. Now you can use your own or even borrow it from someone. The cards can be shuffled up, and then you give them to the spectator. Have them cut the cards into two piles. Then have them cut each of those piles in half, leaving you with four piles. Now you have them pick up one of the piles, take the cards. You're going to take the top three cards, move them from the top to the bottom of the deck. And then you're going to deal out a card on each pile. Now we're going to do the same thing with the next deck. Three cards from the top will go to the bottom. Then you'll deal 1, 2, 3 cards. Same thing with the third. The top three cards go to the bottom. Then you'll deal out 1, 2, 3 cards. And last but not least, you'll have the spectator take the top three cards, put them to the bottom in the fourth pile, and deal out cards. Now, you make a big deal, say you didn't touch the cards at all, they did all the work, and when they go to turn over the tops of the cards, and there are the four aces. So for the four aces trick, all you'll really need to do is take all four of the aces and put them on the top of the pack. That's pretty much it, other than following where they're going to cut the cards, and I'll get to that in a minute. But to make this trick a bit easier to follow at first, I'm going to turn the aces face up so you can see where they're at the whole time. Now, in the performance, they would be face down. So you'll give the deck to them, have them cut the cards in half, and cut each pile in half. Now, when it comes to the next part, when you tell them what to do, you have to make sure that they start at the opposite end of where the aces are. So the aces are here, so I'm going to start over here. They'll pick up the pile, and you tell them to put the top three cards to the bottom, and then deal out a card on each pile. Then they'll continue with the next one, 3 to the bottom, and a card on each pile. And the third pile, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and now here's the magic right here. This pile here, when they take the top three cards from the top and put them to the bottom, it puts the aces right back on top. So when they go to deal them out, the aces will be right on top of the packs. And that's how you have the spectator cut to all four aces.